Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu reports 7 bonds of relation are forbidden from genealogy and 7 are forbidden from in-laws. He radiyallahu anhu then recited the words, "Forbidden to you are your mothers." Hazrat Abdullah bin Jafar radiyallahu anhu combined Hazrat Ali's daughter and wife in his marriage. Ibn Sirin says, "There is no harm in it." Hassan Basri once declared it odious and then later he said there is no harm in it. Hassan bin Ali combined 2 paternal cousins during one night and Jabir bin Zayd declared it odious on account of serving the bonds of relationship. But it is not unlawful, as Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has said, and the remaining besides those are lawful for you. Ikrimah has quoted Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu saying, when someone commits adultery with his sister-in-law, his wife will not be forbidden for him. Yahya Kendi has reported from Shabi and Abu Jafar that if someone commits sodomy with a minor boy and insertion gets confirmed, he cannot marry his mother. Yahya is not a popular person and none corroborated him. Ikrimah has reported from Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu, if someone commits adultery with his sister-in-law, his wife will not be stand forbidden for him. And it is said, Abu Nasr has said, with reference to Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu, she will stand forbidden, whereas Abu Nasr's hearing from Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu is not proved. It is reported from Imran bin Hussein, Jabir bin Zayd, Hassan Basri and some of the people of Iraq. She will stand forbidden. And Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu says, she will not stand forbidden until he practices coitus with her. Saeed bin Musayyab, Urwa bin Zubair have declared her valid. Zohri has narrated Hazrat Ali saying, she will not be forbidden, whereas this saying is mursal. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 5105.